Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Madhuri Nima from New Catholic Mission School, Jhabua. I am teaching Maths class 4th. So today I will teach you chapter 6 fractions. Okay, so all of you know what is fractions. Fractions means a part of whole object. Okay, part of whole object means this see, this is a circle. Okay, this is whole part. ओके दिस इज होल पार्ट. इफ यू मोल्ड, अगर आपने इसको किया, इसको हाफ किया, सो दिस इज हाफ पार्ट. ओके, हाफ पार्ट मीन्स आधा. क्या हुआ ये? आधा पार्ट. ओके, सो आधा पार्ट को क्या बोलेंगे? हाफ पार्ट. 1/2. एंड इफ यू मोल्ड, अगर आपने इसको मोल्ड किया, सो टर्न वन मोर पार्ट. ओके, सो दिस पार्ट 1/4 पार्ट. ओके, चौथा हिस्सा. ठीक है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड फ्रैक्शंस. फ्रैक्शंस मीन्स अ पार्ट ऑफ होल ऑब्जेक्ट. सो सी हियर, let's see fraction. So today I will teach you different types of fractions. Okay, so first like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, unit fraction, mixed fraction, and comparison of different fractions. The comparison change mixed fraction into proper improper fraction, and improper fraction change into mixed fraction. Okay, so let's see here. First chapter name, the name of chapter is fractions. So fractions means a part of the whole object. So whole object, you see this is whole object मतलब पूरा, and this is half part 1/2. half part means 1/2, and this is 1/3 part, and this is 1/4 part. So fractions formula is equal to, how to find out fraction? Fraction equal to numerator upon denominator. So numerator upon denominator. If you are given fractions, so in fraction 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. Okay, so different type of fractions. First we will talk about like fractions. Like fraction, what is same denominator? सेम डिनोमिनेटर मतलब नीचे की संख्या, सेम डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, सेम डिनोमिनेटर का आर कॉल्ड लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. सो लाइक फ्रैक्शन विद द सेम डिनोमिनेटर. अभी मैंने आपको बताया सेम डिनोमिनेटर 4 एंड 4. डिनोमिनेटर मीन्स नीचे की संख्या. सो 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. इट मीन्स लाइक fractions. So say fraction with the same denominator is called like fractions. So now second, unlike fractions. Unlike fractions which have different denominator are called unlike fractions. Different denominators means जो नीचे की संख्या वो क्या हो जाएगी? different. Here same denominator, so called like fraction, and here different denominator. So example here 2/7, 5/11, and 3/19. It means you see here different denominator. Here 7, here 11, here 19. It means here see here different denominator, so it's called unlike fraction, and same denominator called like fractions. So understood about like fraction and unlike fraction. Like fraction means same denominator, and unlike fractions means different denominator. Now here third, proper fractions. Fractions in which numerator is smaller than the denominator. Numerator is smaller than the denominator are called proper fractions. न्यूमरेटर ऊपर की संख्या को न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर नीचे की संख्या डिनोमिनेटर. सो हियर न्यूमरेटर इज स्मॉलर देन डिनोमिनेटर. अब आप यहाँ देख रहे हो डिनोमिनेटर इज 7 एंड न्यूमरेटर इज 2. सो हियर न्यूमरेटर इज स्मॉलर देन द डिनोमिनेटर. डिनोमिनेटर आपको दिख रहा है 7 बड़ा है और 2 क्या है? छोटा है. तो इट मीन्स दिस फ्रैक्शन इज proper fractions. So now here unlike fractions. Sorry, this fraction is called unlike fractions. So understood about unlike fractions? Fractions which have numerator is smaller than the denominator called unlike fractions. Now here second, proper fraction. Proper fractions. Fractions in which numerator is a smaller. Numerator is smaller. The fractions in which numerator is smaller than the denominator are called proper fraction. Now, improper fractions. Fractions in which numerator is greater number. Numerator बड़े. Numerator is greater number than the denominator. Numerator greater than denominator are called improper fraction. और proper fraction में numerator is smaller than the denominator और improper fraction numerator is greater than the denominator. So called improper fraction. Now unit fractions. Unit fractions, fractions which has 1 as a numerator. कोई सी भी fraction होगी उसमें numerator क्या होगा? 1. So 1 is as a numerator are known as a unit fractions. So here 1/7 and 1/10 सबको आप सब देख रहे हो इधर 1 ऊपर है इधर भी 1 न्यूमरेटर है इधर भी 1 न्यूमरेटर है. It means this is called unit fractions. Now equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are 2 or more fractions which have same value. Okay, which have same value means इन दोनों का आप जब भी डिवाइड करेंगे दोनों की वैल्यू क्या आनी है? सेम. सो एग्जाम्पल, सी हियर एग्जाम्पल 1/2, 2/4, 4/8. 3 fractions are showing here. Okay, but three fractions are same value. How can same value? So 1/2. If we divide 2/4, so 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1/2 value. If we divide 4/8, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So all 3 fractions value same 1/2. So understood about here equivalent fractions. Okay, so you see this is here. This is whole part, one whole part. Okay, if you divide this in half part, 1/2 part. If you divide here one more part, so 1/4. So this is called equivalent fraction. कैसे हो equivalent fraction? अगर अपन 2/4 को काटेंगे तो आप क्या आएगा? 1/2 and both fractions it means same. ये आपको चपाती एक ही है, एक ही चपाती के आप 2 टुकड़े कर सकते हो, 4 टुकड़े कर सकते हो, बट पार्ट तो वन होल पार्ट है. इट मीन्स इक्विलियंट फ्रैक्शंस. So equivalent fractions are 2 or more fractions which have same value. Understood? Same. How can same value you find here? We will divide all fractions. If the answer is same, then call equivalent fraction. Finding equivalent fractions. Okay, how do you find equivalent fraction? कैसे अपन को अभी मैंने बताया आपको डिवाइड करना है. So for finding equivalent fraction, need to multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. सेम नंबर जो भी फ्रैक्शन दी है उसको आपको सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो एग्जाम्पल, राइट 2 इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस ऑफ 1/3. 1/3 के आपको 2 इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस बतानी है. सो हियर एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय 3. अगर आपको 1/3 की बतानी है इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन, सो यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, those you want. So okay, so here first we will write 2 fractions. So first we will write 1/3. 1/3 will multiply by 3/3. So here 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So 3/9 equivalent fraction. If we divide 3/9, so 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So 1/3 value. So same value. It means equivalent fraction 1/3 is other fraction equivalent fraction 3/3. 9. Now next time 1 upon 3 multiply by 4 upon 4. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12. 4 upon 12 next equivalent fraction. If we divide this 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 1 upon 3 answers. It means equivalent fractions. So which equivalent fractions here? That is 1 upon 3 equivalent fractions are 3 upon 9 and 4 upon 12. Okay. Now next here exercise 6.1. Question 1, write the fraction and then match the equivalent fraction. आपको ये जो पार्ट दिया है, so here filling part here, so we'll see here write fraction and match them equivalent part. So here first, here which part here, one whole part. आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे पूरा एक whole part है and this part divide into 5 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many part divide this part? 5 part. In 5 part, 1 is filling. Okay, 1 fill part. It means what fraction here? 1 upon 5. Okay, and this is whole part. And this whole part divide into 4 part. 1, 2, 3, 4. And fill part here 1. So what fraction here? 1 upon 4. It means जो पार्ट भरा है वो न्यूमरेटर और जो खाली है वो डिनोमिनेटर. So this is numerator here 1 and denominator here equal to all part. भरा है खाली है सबको एक साथ काउंट करना है. So 1 upon 5 and this here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 part here total. So total 4 part right down side. This is denominator. Whole part is denominator and fill part is here numerator. So this is 1 upon 4 and here 1, 2, 3. Total part 3. तो total part को आपको कहाँ लिखना है? नीचे. And filling part here 2. 1 and 2. So what fraction here? क्या fraction बनी इसकी? 2 upon 3. And now here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 part. So filling part here 3. So 3 upon 4. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 part. Total 8 part. So 8 part downside, 8 part it is denominator and 6 part fill here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what's fraction? 6 upon 8 and here 2 upon 10 and here 4 upon 6 and 2 upon 8. And our question is here, write the fractions and then match the equivalent fraction. आपको इस पार्ट की फ्रैक्शन लिखना है and then after that match their equivalent fractions. अभी आपको पता है equivalent fraction. What means equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions means same value. So 1 upon 5. Okay, so what is the value of 1 upon 5 in other fractions? So here different time fractions here. So first 2 upon 10. One answer here and this is 1. Both the fractions same value. How same value? 2 upon 10. If we divide 2 upon 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 1 upon 5 value. It means both the same. Both the fractions are same. Okay, now second here 1 upon 4. So different answer, which is 1 upon 4? This fractions is match them, say equivalent fractions. 1 upon 4 equivalent fractions, 2 upon 8. How? 2 upon 8 we will divide. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. 1 upon 4 value 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4. It means same. So this is right answer. Now third 2 upon 3. So which is equivalent fraction? 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 is equivalent fractions. 4 upon 6. 4 इधर 2 fours are 8 and 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6. 2 upon 3 answer. So 2 upon 3 same value. Now here 3 upon 4 and here 6 upon 8. So we will divide these fractions. 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So here 2 upon 3 upon 4 and 3 upon 4. So that's why here make the same value. So write the fraction and then match the equivalent fraction. So for that finding out equivalent fractions, we will find first equivalent value, same value. If given fraction same value, then match the right answer. Now question 2, fill in the boxes for the given set of equivalent fractions. So आपको ये जो दिया है बॉक्स है, fill in the box here, you will write here equivalent fractions. So before in example I will already explain. I already explained about how to find out equivalent fractions. If you find out 2 upon 3 equivalent fractions, first we will multiply 2 by 2 both numerator and denominator. For next other fractions 3 by 3. Now next other fractions 4 by 4. So here 2 upon 3 is equivalent fractions. So for finding out these fractions, multiply in these fractions 2 by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. 4 upon 6. Now here next, अगर आपको next fraction करना है, multiply by in these fractions 3 by 3. 3 multiply by 3. दोनों fraction में numerator also 3 multiply and denominator also 3 multiply. So 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. ये आपको इसको direct and then next fraction 4 4 multiply. 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. And next fraction 2 5s are 10 and 3 5s are 15. This way you can find equivalent fractions. अगर आपको ये भी नहीं आता है तो आप इसको टेबल बोल के इसकी टेबल आप लिख सकते हैं. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Now here 3 table, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Both way you can find equivalent fractions. Okay, now here 1 upon 7, 1 table, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 1 4s and 1 5s are 5. And here 7 2s are 14 and 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. This is your wrong fractions. Okay, now here next, simplest form of a fractions. Simplest form of the fraction. What means simplest form? Simplest form means any fraction which have one as a common factor. कोई भी fraction हो उसका one एक common factor होना चाहिए. It means simplest form, otherwise not simplest form. So a fraction is said to be in the simplest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. 1 के अलावा दूसरा कोई भी common factor नहीं होना है. It calls simplest form. So here 9 upon 7. Okay, how we'll find out this fraction is simplest form or not simplest form? So 9 upon 27. So we'll divide here 3 upon 3. ऐसी टेबल से आपको डिवाइड करना है जो न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर डिवाइड same number. Okay, so 9 divide by 3 and 27 also divided by 3. So we'll divide here 3 upon 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 9s are 27. What's answer here? 3 upon 9. Okay, now again फिर आपको डिवाइड करना है उसको सेम नंबर से. न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर डिवाइड विथ सेम नंबर. सो अगेन 3 and 9 डिवाइड बाय 3 3. Numerator also and denominator also. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. And answer is equal to 1 upon 3. And 1 upon 3 ऐसी fraction है जिसका common factor only 1. 1 is not divide again another table and 3 is not divide another table, only 1. 3 is divide only 1. So 1 upon 3 is simplest form of 9 upon 27. So 1 and 3 have no common factor other than 1 and hence the fractions 1 upon 3 is in simplest form of 9 upon 27. So now here second exercise 6.2. Here reduce the following fractions into their simplest form. अभी मैंने example explain किया. So according to example you can solve these questions. Here 64 upon 72. So this is सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. अब आपको इसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म बताना है, मतलब डिवाइड करके इसको शॉर्ट करना है. सो 64/72 ऐसा नंबर लो जो दोनों न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ डिवाइड सेम नंबर. So we'll divide here numerator and denominator by same number. So 2, when we divide 64 by 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4 and this divide 2 3s are 6. Okay, 7 is not divide completely, one number remain. 7 minus 6, 1 remain. So 1 remain here, 1 and 2 is equal to 12. So 2 6 are 12. Answer is equal to 32 and 36. Here one more time we'll divide 4 by 4. So 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36. अब ये 8/9 ऐसा नंबर है जो किसी भी टेबल से डिवाइड, दोनों नंबर एक टेबल से डिवाइड नहीं हो सकते. इट मीन्स 8 कॉमन फैक्टर 1 एंड 9 कॉमन फैक्टर 1. इसके अलावा ये दोनों किसी भी दूसरी टेबल से डिवाइड नहीं हो सकते. इट मीन्स 8 and 9 बोथ नंबर नॉट डिवाइडेड अदर देन 1. ये 8 भी 1 से डिवाइड होगा और ये भी 1 by 1 सेम दूसरे नंबर्स हो गए, पर दोनों जब एक साथ डिवाइड करना है तो केवल एक ही नंबर से करना है. ये 2 से होगा, ये 2 से नहीं हो रहा है. दिस डिवाइड बाय 4 बट दिस नॉट डिवाइड बाय. जब दोनों नंबर एक ही नंबर से डिवाइड हो इट मीन्स सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. अब ये डिवाइड हो रहा है 8 और 9 ओनली 1 एज ए कॉमन फैक्टर. इट मीन्स 8/9 is simplest form of 64/72. Now here 27/81. So 27/81 first we'll divide numerator and denominator with same number. So we'll divide here both number divide 3 by 3. 3 की टेबल में 27 आता है और 3 की टेबल से 81 भी डिवाइड होता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू डिविजिबिलिटी रूल 81 आता नहीं है, बट व्हाट इज द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ 3? सम ऑफ ऑल द डिजिट. इफ विल सम ऑफ 8 and 9, 8 and 1, जब 8 और 1 का आपने सम किया 8 + 1 is equal to 9. It means 9 is divisible by 3. It means 81 also divisible by 3. So we'll divide both the numerator and denominator with 3. So 3 9s are 27. Okay, and 3 2s are 6. 8 is not divide completely. So here remain 8 में से 6 गया, 6 से divide हुआ, only 2 remain here. 2 remain here, 2 and 1. 2 on 2 place and 1 on 1's place. It means 21. So 21 divide by 3. 21. So 21 time here, the 3 2s are 6 and 3 7s are 21. 21 divide how many time? 7 time. So fraction here 9/27. But this is not simplest form, क्योंकि ये भी डिवाइड हो सकता है, ये भी डिवाइड हो सकता है. जब डिवाइड हो तब तक आपको आगे करते जाना. So again we'll divide here 9 table. So here क्योंकि 9 भी 9 की टेबल में आते हैं, 27 भी 9 की टेबल से डिवाइड होंगे. So 9 1s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. So 1/3. अब 1/3 is simplest form of 27/81. Now so here exercise 6.3. Check whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. अब आपको चेक करना है दोनों फ्रैक्शंस इक्विवेलेंट है या नहीं है. क्वेश्चन इज 4/5 and 8/10. So 4/5 and 8/10. For finding out this fraction is equivalent or not, तो we will here solve a cross multiplication them. बोथ फ्रैक्शंस का क्या करेंगे? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन मीन्स न्यूमरेटर मल्टीप्लाई डिनोमिनेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय न्यूमरेटर. सो सी हियर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन 4/5 and 8/10. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 4 का मल्टीप्लाई 10 में, 8 का मल्टीप्लाई 5 में. ओके, सो हियर दैट इज 4 multiply 10. We'll write here 4 multiply 10 and 8 multiply 5. We'll write here 8 multiply 5. So then after that multiply 4 10s are 40 and 8 5s are 40. Both the same value. Okay, what is the definition of equivalent fractions? Value, both the fraction value same. It means equivalent fractions. So here 40 and 40, both the fractions value 40 and 40. So it means hence two fractions are equivalent. ये जो fraction है दोनों क्या हो गई, दोनों एक दूसरे की value क्या है, same. Now here 3/7 and 9/14. For finding out these fractions equivalent or not, so we will cross multiplication them. So here cross multiply 3 multiply by 14 and 9 multiply by 7. This is numerator multiply formula. अगर आपको याद करना है, you can write here formula. Numerator multiply denominator and this is numerator 1. आपको करना है n1 मल्टीप्लाई d2. ये डिनोमिनेटर 2 है, मतलब दूसरे फ्रैक्शन का. दिस इज 1 फ्रैक्शन, दिस इज 2 फ्रैक्शन. तो n1 मल्टीप्लाई d2 एंड n2 मल्टीप्लाई d1. अंडरस्टूड. ये डिनोमिनेटर 1, दिस इज डिनोमिनेटर 2, दिस इज न्यूमरेटर 1 एंड दिस इज न्यूमरेटर 2. सो यू विल मल्टीप्लाई n1 मल्टीप्लाई d2 एंड n2 मल्टीप्लाई d1. सो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन देम. हियर आपने देखा 3 का 14 में मल्टीप्लाई किया, 9 का मल्टीप्लाई 7 में. So that is 3 multiply 14 and 9 multiply 7. What? When we multiply 14 and 3 multiply is equal to 42 and 9 multiply 7 is equal to 63. But both the value not same. यहाँ पे 42 है और यहाँ पे 63. It means not equivalent fractions. So hence 3/7 and 9/40 are not equivalent fractions. So student understood about equivalent fraction and not equivalent fractions. And how can you find out the value of equivalent fractions? Now mixed fractions. Mixed fractions combination of whole number. एक पूरा नंबर और उसका पार्ट को दोनों को क्या करना है, मिक्स. Combination of one whole number and one proper fractions is one proper fraction is called a mixed fractions. So example 2 whole number by 3/4. So 2 is whole part. Here 2 is whole part and one part is proper fractions. So 2 by 3/4. This is mixed fractions. Now changing mixed fraction into improper fraction. How do you change mixed fraction into improper fractions? So finding out a formula here, improper fraction, whole number multiply by denominator plus numerator upon denominator. Whole number, this is whole number and this is numerator and this is denominator. So whole number multiply by denominator. ठीक है. So here in fraction में 2 by 7/6 it means 2 is whole number and 7 is numerator and 6 is denominator. So whole number multiply by whole number 2 multiply by 6. 2 6 are 12 and a plus numerator. 2 6 are 12 plus 7 is equal to 19. 19/6 is improper fractions. So see here 2 multiply by 6. When we were 2 multiply by 6 plus 7. So 2 6 are 12 plus 7 equal to 19/6. This is improper fractions. Now changing improper to mixed fractions. Improper fraction to mixed fractions. How do you change improper fraction to mixed fractions? First formula, mixed fraction. Quotient divided by remainder upon divisor. Quotient remainder upon divisor. So here for example 3/2. This is improper fraction and this improper fraction change into mixed fraction. So far this improper fraction change into mixed fractions. So we will divide improper fractions. Okay, so how to divide? Numerator and denominator. 3 divided by 2. Okay, when we divide 3 divided by 2 one time, so the 2 ones are 2 and 1 is here. When we minus 3 minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So here 1 is quotient or this one is remainder and this is your divisor. So the mixed fractions answer here quotient, remainder, divisor. So here 1, 1, 2. ये 1 is quotient, this is quotient, remainder, divisor. So we'll write here quotient, remainder and divisor. So this way we can change improper fractions into mixed fractions. Now exercise 6.4. Convert the following mixed fractions to improper fractions. Now here mixed fraction, how do you convert into improper fractions? So improper fractions फार्मूला अभी आपने देखा एक्सरसाइज, मैंने बताया इसको whole number मल्टीप्लाई डिनोमिनेटर अपॉन हियर n प्लस न्यूमरेटर अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर. So here in these questions whole number is 3 and numerator is 1 and denominator is equal to 5. So we'll multiply here whole number and denominator. So whole number here 3 multiplied by 5 plus 1. 1 is numerator. So 3 5s are 15 and numerator is 1. 15 plus 1 is equal to 16 upon denominator. Denominator is equal to 5. 16 upon 5. So this way we can change mixed fraction into improper fractions. Now second, 4 whole number 2 by 5. Okay, so improper fraction formula here whole number multiplied denominator plus numerator upon denominator. Whole number is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 5 plus 2. 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22 upon 5. So this is fractions 22 upon 5. Now convert the following improper fractions to mixed fraction. अब improper fraction to mixed fractions, 9 upon 7, this is improper fractions. So formula for finding out mixed fractions, quotient, remainder upon divisor. So here first we'll divide 9 by 7. 9 को आपको divide करना है 7 से. So 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 1 time. 1 time is quotient and remain, but how many remain here? 2. 2 is remainder and 7 is divisor. So mixed fraction, write here. How do you write mixed fraction? Quotient, remainder, divisor. Quotient, remainder, divisor. So here quotient is equal to 1, remainder is equal to 2 and divisor equal to 7. Now here 11 upon 6. So 11 upon 6 will divide 11 by 6. So 11, 1 time 6 ones are 6. Here remain 5. How many remain? 5. 1 is quotient, 5 is remainder and 6 is divisor. So how do you write mixed fraction? Quotient, remainder, divisor. Quotient, remainder, divisor. Here 1, 5, 6. 1 whole number, 5 by 6. So students, this way you can solve here all the different types of fractions. So we'll practice again and again. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.